Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Finally, Nifty sustained above 11,300 to 365. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustained above 11,300 to 365, it will try for range bound in between 11,500 to 800 zone. Otherwise, it will try to range bound. If it breaks 11,300 to 365, it will try for range bound in between 11,000 to 11,300. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, Nifty sustained in last closing above 11,300 to 365. So for now, Nifty will try for 11,500 to 800 zone once. Otherwise, if it breaks 11,300 to 365 again, it's likely move in between 11,000 to 11,265. Sorry, 250. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 22,000. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustained above 22,200 to 22,500 zone, then it's likely try for 22,000 to 22,800 or 23,000 plus zone again. Else, if it slips below 21,800 again, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 21,200 to 21,800 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty sustained its closing above 22,000. So for now, if it breaks 22,200 to 500 zone, it's likely move for 23,000. Otherwise, it will maintain range bound move in between 21,800 to 22,500. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's our for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,700. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's our 11,520 and 11,628. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 11,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's our 11,365 and 11,289. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 23,089. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's our 22,500 and 22,836. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 21,789. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's our 22,123 and 21,965. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for intraday volatility for some explored stocks with trading range and with midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. AU Bank, that LTP is 666. Its upper range is 700 and lower range is 640, and its midpoint is 650. So if it sustains above its midpoint, that 650 with increases volume, it's likely try for its upper resistance or upper zone, that 700. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, it's likely reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 640. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint with LTP for intraday trading. AU Bank, that LTP is 666. ICICI GI, that LTP is 1301. NAM India, that LTP is 266. Oberoi Realty, that LTP is 408. DMart, that LTP is 2184. Coromandel, that LTP is 792. HDFC Life, that LTP is 569. BDL, that LTP is 323. IGL, that LTP is 401. Tata Consumer, that LTP is 509. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading with LTP. You can mail me on my mail ID, that my mail ID trade.mathematics